Just because I've stayed silent and accepted things that, upon reflection, are truly unforgivable, doesn't mean I'm lying. Trust me that there's so much more that had happened in the past that I chose to keep to myself. There are people who betrayed me without hesitation, throwing me under the bus without a second thought. Some of them I've forgiven because I see their actions as stemming from a kind of mental illness. If I were to reveal the full truth, you'd understand that despite everything I know and the countless betrayals, I chose to spare them. I spared them not because they deserve it, but because I am not perfect either. And I still love them, even through it all. As for the lies spread about me being some kind of Miss Perfect, I endured all of it. The smear campaigns, the false narratives, and still held my ground. And believe me when I say there is more to come. There is more to come. And whether you believe it or not, I've already anticipated my enemy's next move. Some might claim that revealing the truth now is an attempt to control the narrative, but the reality is far different. I have endured years upon years of lies spun by this malicious oppressor, tirelessly working to manipulate the narrative of my life. Their tactics were transparent to me, and the truth will no longer remain buried.